Did you know that real-world case studies serve as powerful tools for understanding the intricate dance between success and failure in business? They provide a gritty, unfiltered look at both triumph and downfall, uncovering the underlying factors that often dictate a company's fate. Among the most illustrative examples are Dropbox, Zappos, and Webvan, each telling a unique story of validation and its pivotal role in their trajectories. Let's begin with Dropbox, a name almost synonymous with cloud-based file storage today. Before investing resources into building the full product, Dropbox took a lean approach. They created a simple explainer video to introduce the concept to potential users. The video showcased how Dropbox could solve a common problem effectively, and the overwhelming positive response was undeniable validation. This initial step was crucial. It demonstrated a clear demand for the service, paving the way for further development and investment. Dropbox's journey underscores how minimal viable products, MVPs, can provide significant insights without massive upfront costs. In contrast, the story of Zappos brings to light another angle of early business validation. The founder, Nick Swinmurn, took to a very hands-on approach to test the market for online shoe sales. Instead of diving into large inventory investments, Swinmurn created a basic website, listing shoes from local stores. When an order came through, he would purchase the shoes locally and ship them to the customer. This lean methodology validated the market demand for an online shoe store and helped build confidence among investors. Zappos eventually grew to become a giant in online retail, all rooted in its foundational approach to validation. However, the cautionary tale of Webvan serves as a stark reminder that validation isn't just about customer interest, but also about logistics and cost structure. Webvan aimed to conquer the online grocery delivery market, but they expanded their operations rapidly without proving that their business model could scale sustainably. They poured massive funds into sophisticated warehouses and fleet services without fully understanding the complexities and costs involved. When these factors couldn't align profitably, the business collapsed, leading to significant losses. Webvan's story highlights the peril of bypassing thorough validation and the importance of scaling only after proving feasible logistics. The contrasting outcomes of Dropbox, Zappos, and Webvan emphasize a critical lesson. Thorough validation is indispensable. Successful ventures often begin with small incremental steps that test and prove the viability of their models. Meanwhile, those who ignore this step often find themselves overwhelmed by unforeseen challenges. Through these success and failure narratives, businesses can learn the immense value of testing ideas against real-world variables and scaling sustainably, ensuring that their path to growth is built on a solid, proven foundation.